Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a super refreshing and nutrient-packed green juice that's one of my favorites. It's made with celery, green apples, parsley, and kale. All organic. This blend is not only delicious, but it's also loaded with benefits. Celery keeps you hydrated and helps with digestion. Green apples add that crisp sweetness and give you vitamin C for immunity. Parsley works like a natural detox, supporting your kidneys and liver. And of course, kale, a powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K for strong bones, healthy skin, and energy. All right, let's get into it. First, chop and wash all your produce really well with white vinegar and water. You can multiply this recipe for a bigger batch, like I did. The recipe contains 3 to 4 stalks of celery, 2 green apples, a handful of parsley, about 2 cups of kale leaves. Make sure to chop everything into smaller pieces so it runs smoothly through your juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can also use a blender and strain it after. Let's juice everything together. Look at that gorgeous, vibrant green color. That's pure goodness right there. And here it is, fresh green juice, hydrating, detoxifying, and packed with vitamins. You can enjoy this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach or as a mid-afternoon boost. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more healthy recipes like this. Cheers to your health. Green Heart.